You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations from the Bible, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You love hearing and learning from, pronounced in Hebrew as Chisleu. Chisleu does have a V sound at the end. The CH is pronounced more like a K. Chisleu. Now, in English, the correct or accepted pronunciation is as Chisleu. Chisleu is the English pronunciation. Now in Hebrew, it's pronounced as Chisleu. So you may hear people interpreting the Hebrew pronunciation different ways and pronouncing it as Chisleu or Chisleu. Both pronunciations are indeed correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.